911 telephone outage emergency has been declared for Gilmore City. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Humboldt County 911 dispatch. The Humboldt County 911 dispatch has determined that a 911 service disruption has occurred and that area residents will need to use cell phones in the event that 911 services are required. The area affected by the 911 services disruption includes Gilmore City. The 911 service disruption began at 9:55 p.m. with an unknown restoration time. Residents in this area are encouraged to use cell phones to call 911 in the event that 911 services are needed. Once again, residents in the Gilmore City area are encouraged to use cell phones to call 911 in the event that 911 services are needed.
Angel! Get back! Get back! Or I will drop kick him, I swear!
You'll never get away with this, you hear me?
Guess what? We already did!
Wendy, you're the coolest person I know.
I know, dude. Tell me about it later.
After them!
You want your baby seat?
Yes, please.